Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to enable swipe navigation in the Divi Gallery module's Lightbox. This feature allows users to easily browse gallery images by swiping left or right, creating a smooth and interactive experience, especially on touch devices. By adding intuitive swipe gestures, you can make your galleries much more engaging and user-friendly. Let's get started. To enable swipe navigation in the Divi Gallery Lightbox, you can use the Enable Lightbox Swiping option provided by the Divi Gallery Booster plugin. This method is incredibly simple and doesn't require any custom coding. By activating this feature, you enhance your gallery's functionality, making it more intuitive and accessible for users on touch devices. If you'd like to learn more about the Divi Gallery Booster plugin, check out the link provided in the accompanying post. To begin, open the Divi Builder and add a single column row to your layout. Once you've done that, insert the Gallery module into the row. Next, select the images you'd like to include by browsing your media library. After choosing your images, confirm your selection by clicking the button to add them to your gallery. This will populate your gallery with the chosen images, and you're ready to move on. Now that your gallery images have been added, go to the Gallery module's settings. Once there, navigate to the Design tab. Within this section, locate and expand the Layout area. This is where you'll find the swiping setting needed to enable intuitive navigation for your gallery. In the expanded Layout section of the Gallery module's Design settings, you'll find a toggle for Enable Lightbox Swiping. Simply click this switch to turn it on. Once activated, your Gallery Lightbox will allow users to swipe left or right to navigate between images. This creates an intuitive, touch-friendly browsing experience for your visitors. Once you've enabled swipe navigation, remember to save your changes or publish the page. After that, open the page on the front end to preview your gallery as your visitors will experience it. When you click on a gallery image, it will open in a Lightbox, ready for users to explore. Now that your Lightbox is set up, it's time to test the swipe navigation. Open the Lightbox by clicking on a gallery image, then try swiping left to move to the next image or swiping right to go back to the previous one. You should notice that navigating through the gallery feels smooth, interactive, and optimized for touch devices. This simple enhancement makes your gallery much more engaging for users. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully enabled swipe navigation in the Divi Gallery Lightbox. Now, your visitors can easily browse through your images on any device, providing a seamless and interactive experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!